Big changes are coming to Lowe's as they try to get you to subscribe so they can lock you in as a customer and keep you coming back to their stores rather than going over to Walmart or Amazon or Home Depot, for example. We'll tell you about this new subscription service that brings techs to your home to do everyday tasks needed for you and gives you discounts on some items there. This story and some others coming up in a quick second, but hey, I've been a reporter for over 12 years now covering the world of technology and news and more. I own Court Cars News with staff across the country, and sometimes there's stories like this that jump out at me that I want to break down, and that's what the second channel here is for reviews and other stuff. And I want to kind of break it all down for you to tell you about some interesting topics. So if you like what we do here, I'm about to put a link to every story I talk about in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. You can check it there. If you like what we do, also let YouTube know by hitting that subscribe button or hitting that thumbs up. We got hundreds of videos just like this one. With that said, let's dive into it. Lowe's is launching a $99 a month home service called Home Care Plus because every subscription service has to have a plus or a max on it apparently. But with this, Lowe's will send twice a year a tech to your home to do everyday tasks like replace refrigerator, water filters, light bulbs, flush your water heater, clean out your dryer vents, and other tasks. Now, obviously, most of you are saying, I can do that. Why would I pay $100? This definitely does seem to be targeting people with physical disabilities or elderly people who maybe not wanting to get on a ladder to get up there. Now, I'm kind of surprised that there's not more services in here. You do have things like carbon monoxide battery replacements, refrigerator water filter replacement, the air filter for your furnace, and more. I wonder if they're going to expand this in the future. Now, they do offer a discount. You can get up to 5% off on select items with this deal. Now, this comes two things. Number one, they're trying to lock you in as a customer, much like the Walmart Plus subscription service has very successfully done, is help Walmart expand its sales amongst its subscribers, keeping them tied to Walmart Plus and trying to siphon things off of Amazon. Lowe's is trying to do the same. Get you locked in. If you got this, you're getting a discount. So I better go back to Lowe's. I got a discount I don't have at other stores. But also, I'm sure that with this, from the way I read this, is there are other services you can pay for and get a discount on. If you need more complicated projects, they have a long list of services there. I've used them before when I needed to get a window replaced. I got it from Lowe's. Great military discount, by the way. And they sent out the people and they replaced it for me. And they handled everything. I'm sure they're hoping to expand that to make you their one-stop shop, not just to buy stuff, but also get stuff installed. Decks, roofing, windows, and other places are all great options for Lowe's to try to grow and expand. But this comes as Lowe's is facing real trouble. Amazon just launched a 1 to 3 hour delivery, which eats right into one of the biggest things Lowe's has, is that I need it today thing, right? Who here has not started a yard project, a home project, or more, got into it, realized either A, I don't have the right tool, or B, hey, I actually need it, I bought the wrong thing, or I needed something else. I recently did a project in my home, and once I opened it up and I realized, oh, there's actually more damage here than I thought there was, I need to rush back to Lowe's. Well, there's some things that Lowe's has that Amazon does not deliver. But a 1 hour delivery for me to get in my car, drive to Lowe's, buy it, drive back is probably about an hour. If I can go on Amazon and buy that tool, buy that hinge I need, buy that doorknob that broke I want to replace, and just get it dropped off to my house within an hour or 3 hours, you can see why Lowe's is very concerned about it. I used to go to Lowe's to buy lawn care stuff. Now I just have Amazon subscribe and save, and the fertilizer and different things get dropped right off to my door every month without me thinking about it. It's on a set schedule, and when it comes in, I know I need that, so there we go. You see that increasing pressure there on Lowe's with it. But Lowe's is not alone. A growing number of providers out there, stores and more, are launching loyalty subscription programs. These often started with free programs and still are available, where you get discounts at CVS or Walgreens if you join the rewards program. It allows them to build data upon you. But it's become very proven that if you pay get people to pay for a yearly subscription, whether that be Amazon Prime, Walmart Plus, Lowe's new one here. With that, people will be much more willing to favor your store over other stores. And honestly, a program like this for my grandma would be great. Now, of course, she's got plenty of grandkids and kids herself that will be happy to go over there and replace a light bulb for grandma. But let's say you are somebody who does not have that. The idea of being in your 90s and climbing up a ladder is probably not what you want to do anymore, just to be honest with you. So have that ability to just call them twice a year free, and then you can get discounts on other products. Is a great way to keep people subscribed. Look for more and more places to do it. Target has their Target Circle. Best Buy has their programs now. I think at some point you have a problem of too many. Like there are too many streaming services in the world to all be successful. There are too many of these paid ones. And that's why many companies are trying to offer something different. Having somebody physically come to your home to replace your fridge filter, change out your furnace filter, clean out your dryer trap, and more are all great options for $100 a year to do it twice. For many people, that's all you need for your water fridge or filter with that. So let me know, are you subscribed to them? I'll be honest, we're subscribed to two, Amazon Prime, mostly for the shipping, but they got some good stuff, and Walmart Plus for the groceries. About 4 years ago, when my wife, or wow, longer than that ago now actually, when my wife was pregnant and I had my hip surgery, we were both on bed rest at the time, we got addicted to Walmart Plus subscriptions. So easy. And now we do. I actually think it saves us money because it's a little less tempting to buy all that stuff you see in the store. But with that, they found a very successful model. Something that Amazon has had for a while, but it came down not just about free package delivery in 2 days, but about all the other stuff being offered. And I think for Lowe's and others, it's an uphill battle now to convince people to leave Prime or Walmart Plus for your service, especially for something like this. I think this is definitely something that the vast majority of customers would not want, but it's a nice feature to have for those who do need it. I expect to see this develop and grow. There's a lot of potential here beyond the savings that people come to your home to bundle in discounts and features to make people want to come to Lowe's over Home Depot, over Ace, over ordering it on Amazon and other places. So leave me a comment, let me know, would this work for you? Is it interesting? Do you know somebody who it would work for? Leave me a comment, let me know, I'd love to hear from you. Well, that's it. Again, you can find a link to these two stories in the show notes and in the first pinned comment, and let me know your thoughts. I want to hear your opinions. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll talk to you all again real soon.